Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter lock screen. Go to screen lock type, confirm with your current password, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of passwords and 2 biometrics. We are going to use each one of these passwords to unlock the phone. And let's start with the top of the list, where we can select PIN, enter PIN number that has at least 4 digits. And now let's use it to unlock the phone. Now, let's select password. Again, enter password containing at least 4 characters. Next, let's select swipe, which is non-security password, and none, which is also non-security. Then let's go to last password type, which is pattern, and now we have to create line connecting at least 4 dots. Tap done. And now again let's enter screen lock type and let's proceed to biometrics. Firstly, let's go to face, and now simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. In the end, let's go to screen lock type again and select fingerprints. Continue, register, and now simply tap the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen multiple times. Unfortunately, I can't scan my fingerprint because of the protective film that is not original for the Samsung, so my fingerprint won't be able to scan. But basically you have to tap the fingerprint sensor multiple times, each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Then simply you have to use the fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.